Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 2 to the power of 10 minus 2 to the power of 9. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to rewrite this 10 as 9 plus 1. So we have 2 to the power of 10 minus 2 to the power of 9, and this is equal to 2 to the power of 9 plus 1 minus 2 to the power of 9. Now, an important property of exponents is that if we have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So the base simply distributes with the exponents. So I'm going to use this property for 2 to the power of 9 plus 1. We can think of 2 as a, 9 as m, and 1 as n. So this would equal to 2 to the power of m, which is 9, times 2 to the power of n, which is 1. And now we are subtracting this with 2 to the power of 9. And now this is equal to, now I'm going to factor out 2 to the power of 9 from this. So if I factor out 2 to the power of 9, I get 2 to the power of 9 times, now 2 to the power of 9 divided by 2 to the power of 9 is 1. And then I have, 2 to the power of 9 times 2 to the power of 1 divided by 2 to the power of 9 is simply just 2 to the power of 1 minus 2 to the power of 9 divided by 2 to the power of 9 is 1. And now this is equal to 2 to the power of 1 minus 1 is simply 1. So I have 2 to the power of 9 times 1, which is equal to, anything times 1 is itself, so 2 to the power of 9. Now for 2 to the power of 9, this is equal to 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 5, because remember, a to the power of m plus n, a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So now 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So we have 16 times 32. We have 32 times 16. 2 times 6 is 12. We carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Then we add our 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. We carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 5. So our final answer is 512. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So I have 25 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 20. Now 25, this is the same thing as 5 squared. So now I'm going to replace 25 with 5 squared to the power of x. So now plus 5x is equal to 20. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is the same thing as a to the power of n to the power of m. So 5 to the power of 2 to the power of x, this is the same thing as 5 to the power of x to the power of 2. So now I'm going to let the variable t equal to 5 to the power of x. So now if I replace t with 5 to the power of x, I get t squared plus t is equal to 20. Now I'm going to subtract 20 on both sides. So now I get t squared plus t minus 20 is equal to 0. Now this is a simple quadratic equation, and this will be factored into t plus 5 times t minus 4. And this gives me two equations. I have t plus 5 is equal to 0, and I have t minus 4 is equal to 0. For t plus 5, this means that t is equal to negative 5. And for t minus 4, this means that t is equal to positive 4. So now remember, we set t equal to 5 to the power of x. So let's first try the value t equals negative 5. So if t equals negative 5, then I have negative 5 is equal to 5 to the power of x. And this can actually not be solved. This actually has no solution because you can't take a power of a number and make it negative. So this is wrong, meaning t equals negative 5 is wrong. So that means that we are simply left with t equals 4. So now we have 4 is equal to 5 to the power of x. Now I'm going to take the log on both sides, so I have log 4 equals log 5 to the power of x. And then this would get me to log 4 equals x times log 5. Now if I divide both sides by log 5, I get log, I'm going to write this over here, log 4 over log 5 is equal to x. And this is our answer.